Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Wear gloves and eye protection before starting and disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent airbag faults and electrical shorts. Gather a 10mm socket, 8mm socket, Phillips screwdriver, trim tool, panel clip pliers, and a torque wrench set to 7 Nm for fasteners. Work on a flat surface and use wheel chocks to secure the car. If raising the front, jack and support the vehicle to lift the bumper area about 3-5 inches to access lower clips and screws safely. Remove the plastic radiator cover by unscrewing 3 10mm bolts and prying out 6 trim clips with a trim tool. Turn the front wheels for access and remove the 2 10mm bolts inside each wheel well that hold the bumper flares, then remove 6 underbody clips and 2 10mm bolts under the lower valance. Unclip fog lamp connectors and label wires before detaching the bumper assembly. Have an assistant hold the bumper as you pull it straight out to avoid scratching the paint. Position the replacement bumper with an assistant and loosely install the main bolts so you can adjust fit. Start with the 2 upper 10mm bolts and the lower valance clips. Align panel gaps to about 3-5 mm along the fender and bonnet edge, then torque all fasteners to 7 Nm in a cross pattern for even seating. Reattach fog lamp connectors and sensors, reinstall the radiator cover, tighten wheel well bolts, and test lights and parking sensors before lowering the car and removing wheel chocks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.